What's going on, YouTube? Today here we are going to be replacing a fuel filter. You're definitely going to need a 25 millimeter, half inch, 25 millimeter. It don't matter if it's 3/8, but it got to be the 25 millimeter to take it out. I'll recommend a short one, all right? Because you got a bunch of hoses over here and all that, so the short 25 millimeter would be great. You're going to slide your 25 millimeter underneath the filter. There is a section out there, so you guys can see that. All right, it's hard to see because this big hose is on the weight anyway. So you get disadvantage with that. You kind of use one hand to stick your wrench on the filter and kind of like, you guys can see, take it out. Pretty easy to come out. When you pre-loosen like that, you can put it out and kind of do it by hand this time. Keep in mind you're gonna have some fuel coming out, so be aware of that. All right, yeah, I can see that. We're gonna have some fuel coming out, but we're gonna dump that fuel in the new filter. Alrighty. There we go. Okay. So this is it. We're gonna dump the old fuel right inside the new filter, guys. All right, so we have a new fuel filter here. We're just gonna remove the plastic. Alrighty. It has some instruction here. You guys can go through that your first time. It will tell you the size wrench that you honestly need and all that cool stuff, right? In the instruction. You're gonna remove the red cap, right, and leave this seal on, the black seal right there. Just leave it on, and also that, make sure that doesn't go missing. So we're gonna go ahead and dump the fuel inside this one here. Alrighty, and while doing that, you want to make sure you put some fuel around the on the old ring, right, just like this, so it kind of lubricate that old ring. Throw this bad boy away. So it's recommended every oil change to replace this fuel filter. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the fuel filter. Do it by hand. Hand tied up pretty good. And then grab the 25 millimeter, put some pressure on it. With all these hoses, man, make it really hard to know exactly where you want to put the wrench. So I'm gonna push down some stuff over here. There you go. There we go. Tighten it pretty good. Alright, guys, now we have it. I'm gonna go ahead and take my 25 millimeter out. This right here will definitely increase your power. So every time you do an oil change, to make it easy for you guys, you want to, get that on Amazon. It's cheaper on Amazon because the dealership, sometimes they charge you a lot of money. So before you fire up the truck, turn your key into accessory mode or whatever, and let the truck do a check first. And all of that before you go ahead and fire up the truck. Do not just turn it, because you want for the fuel pump and all that stuff to kick in before you go ahead and fire it up. This little job here, I don't know how much dealership or truck stop will charge you to do it.